Hi. So I'm going to show you how to edit your site for mobile in the Squarespace editing platform. So when you log into your Squarespace account, you'll see it automatically defaults to the desktop view here. What you'll want to do and what I recommend doing is adding all your images, changing out any text, any links, any design elements you want to update in the desktop view first. So do that for your whole entire site. And then what you'll want to do is click edit, and you'll see these two icons here. There's desktop view and there's mobile view. Click on the mobile view and you'll see your site in a mobile platform. And what you'll probably notice is that things are going to be kind of out of order. I'm using our Simply Yoga template here, which has already been set up for mobile, so you don't really see that here. But in general, Squarespace doesn't know how to lay out it on mobile from desktop in the best way possible. So you'll want to rearrange things to make them look the way that they look on desktop and the way that is most beneficial to look on a smaller screen size. So what you can do is you can move elements around, things like that. I'm going to undo that. Things you cannot do in mobile is if you change the alignment here, so this is in the center, this if I put this on the left, it's going to go on the left on the desktop. So you have to keep that in mind as you're editing. The things that you can do are you can change the sizes of the sections. You could make that bigger. You could make it smaller. That's not going to affect your desktop site. You could move this image down here and move this text up here if you wanted a different layout here. That's not going to affect your desktop site either. You can also change the sizing. So if you want to make that image really large, it's going to be really large just on mobile. So mainly the main things to keep in mind is the alignment. If you change this headline from heading 2 to heading 1, if you change the color, that's all going to affect your desktop site as well. So those are just a few things to keep in mind as you're editing in your mobile site. You can also view your pages here. You have to click out of the editing mode to view the menu. And that's all editable in your global site styles. And basically, what you'll want to do is go through each page, make sure everything's aligned correctly, make sure it's optimized for mobile using best practices, and that it looks really nice on a phone. And I always recommend testing it on your actual phone because this editing platform can make mistakes. So you'll want to have that backup testing method just to make sure everything looks really how you want it to look on your phone and hopefully everyone else's phone as well. So that's how you edit your mobile site. You can always toggle between these two and see if you're making any edits to the desktop site by accident. But in general, it's pretty simple and it's something you definitely want to ensure you do before you launch your site.